Hello. Yes, welcome back. Now let's talk about the parallel circuit. Parallel circuit. We saw in series circuit, we had only one path for current to flow through. With the parallel circuit, we have two different paths or three different paths for which the current can flow from the source, from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. So positive terminal coming here, first path coming here back to the source, the negative terminal. Again, positive terminal coming towards the second connection. You see, this is the second one. It goes again back to the negative terminal. So this path and this path, they are parallel to each other. Why? Because as we are going to see, the voltage of the source is equal to the voltage, total voltage drop in the first path and total voltage drop in the second path. So voltage across this path is equal to voltage across this path and is equal to the voltage of the source. There are many ways of doing this. We can just measure it from the beginning to the end. So like I put this one knob here and the second one here. And now we have the total voltage, 6.69. 6.69. 6.69. Let's go to the second one. 1, 2, 6.6 something. So the voltage drop, the total voltage drop here in the second path is equal to the total voltage drop in the first path and is very close to the voltage of the source. You see, it's 6.6 something. Voltage of the source is 6.61. Voltage drop in entirety, the total voltage in the second path is 6.6, 6.59. In the first path is 6.6, 6.5 something. You see that? Now with current, let's first measure total current. We know these are two paths together, isolated, two paths coming. When they get here, they merge again because we have this only one connection that take them on or off. I take this back, it's there. So let's measure the total current, meaning summing the current from the first path and second path together. What current, what value do we have here? As usual, current is measured in, you have to put the meter in series. 36 point something is the total current. 36 point something is the total current. Wow, nice. Now, let's measure the current across these individual paths. We go to this first path. Let's measure current. 20.6, 20.5. Okay. Second path, 16.7. 20.6 plus 16.6 or 20.7 plus 16.6. Yep. Is equal to 37, around that value. Take the common switch back, remove this switch,